Hi Aries, this is your September love reading. I am a bit late, but let's start your reading right away and see what love tips are there, what energies are going to be around you, and how you are going to behave in your love life. The first card which fell out is the Queen of Wands. It's your card. You are in the Queen of Wands energy. Don't take into account the gender is the energy is the same for both genders. That's the Queen of Wands. This person who the energy of this person, the person who has the Queen of Wands energy, is of someone who is charming, who is a socialite, who people love. These kind of people who are very attractive. This person can get any amount of people in their lives. This person is famous. This person can love. This person can embrace situations in love. This person is also a fighter. This person is also someone who is very smart and very logical and very someone who is accomplished. So you are in this energy, Aries, and you are showing the signs of a Queen of Wands energy. So you are giving this out to the universe. You are in this kind of energy, Queen of Wands. And what is clarifying, you had taken rest in certain matter. You had taken rest in a situation in your love life. You had isolated yourself from people, and you had made sure that nobody or nothing disturbs you. So you did a lot of inner thinking, introspecting. So it has happened in the recent past, and this has given you a rejuvenated self. This has given you a new personality, a personality of control. So now you are in a controlled personality. You are showing your Queen of Wands energy. You are in total power. You are in your power. So I see you like that. So both the energies are good. You took rest. Four of Swords situation and Queen of Wands. You are now a person who is rested, who has taken out the clutter from their minds. So what energies are coming in? The energy which is coming in is of the Nine of Wands. This is still the victim energy. So for some of you, the victim energy has not gone away. This could be victim, or this could be a fighter energy. You are still fighting with your love life. There is some kind of fight going on in your love life. Fight means your inner fight, your fight to maintain balance, your fight to have love, your fight to have a good love relationship. So this is that kind of fight, and you are not giving up. You are not in this giving up mode. You are not still, you are not walking away. You are carrying on this relationship. Why? Because you have taken back your power with the King of Swords, or this could be an Aquarian around you, but I see it as your power because it's a clarification of this card. So this is your power. This is your power. If it is your partner's power, then your partner is not giving up on you. Your partner has taken control of his or her life and is thinking logically about you. They think that you are a good partner, so they are coming towards you with the Page of Cups. Meaning, if there was a fight, if there was a crisis in your love life, this person is coming back to you and giving you a reconciliation statement. This person is giving you his apologies. This person looks cold, but this person is going to extend his or her love to you. I see you going through a certain situation in the month of September. You have your soulmate. You are in love with your person. You are, in love with your spouse, or you are in love with your partner. But you will be taking a certain decision regarding this love life. You will not let, others to determine or influence you any further. So there will be a decision regarding keeping yourself a kind of detached from any troubles or any crisis now. I see that because it is clarified by the Six of Swords. So you are avoiding any turbulence in your love life. You are avoiding any turbulence and you want peace in your love life. You are committed. You are committed to someone. You are committed to someone and you want it to be peaceful. You want to, take yourself out of any troublesome situation whichever is happening around you, or because you have learned the lesson how to do it. So most of you Aries, you know how to extricate yourself from a turbulent situation and go towards peace. So with your lover you are able to exercise this. Some of you will be traveling towards your lover, some of you will be going towards your lover, or your person is coming towards you. This could be a significant Gemini. This person might be coming to you, or could be an air sign. Gemini is an air sign, so it could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Someone is coming to you, you are going to someone, so there could be travel taking place. I also see that the Knight of Swords energy is here. Some person, some air sign person, like I said before, air sign person can come in your life and make changes in your life. This person will come and make changes in your life, because I see the Magician happening. I see that someone is going to come to your life and manifest the love, or you are going to take this energy and you are going to make your wishes come to life, make your ideas and come to life. You might be traveling to your person, you might be organizing party, you might be organizing parties, you might be going into your lover's place, or both of you are enjoying yourself. You will be expressing your love, they will be expressing their love. So the divine is helping you in manifesting love in this relationship. Manifestation of love is taking place. Someone is coming to you with all full force. Someone is going to give you pleasant surprises. So this is happening, this is going to happen for some of you Aries. But be cautious about these persons, because these air sign people, if a Gemini person or a Gemini, Aquarius, Libra person is coming to you, there could be, with the Knight of Swords, there could be someone who is taking a fast decision regarding you, but this may not sustain for a long time. So you got to have the promise, or you have to see the sustainability of the relationship. So but right now you can enjoy yourself, because the love is going to be manifested in your life. Sorry, I was speaking very fast, so I am feeling this irritation in my throat. So the now we will talk about what your person is thinking, the person with whom you have a significant relationship, and what you are thinking about them. So your person sees you as the sun. Your person derives lot of joy from you. Your person sees you as someone who is giving, radiating and glowing, someone who is giving lot of light, someone who is very famous, someone who is star-like, someone who is like the sun. So they think of you as the energy in their life. So what a beautiful thought your person has about you. Your person thinks that you light up their world. Your person thinks that you are therapeutic. Your person thinks that you give them lot of energy. So they see you as the sun. They see you as a famous person. They see you as someone who is a star, someone who is exuding lot of energy, good energy, positive energy in their world. So, and also they are also going through some problems. So they could be, these are both Leo cards. I don't know, your person could be a Leo as well. So but let's not confuse ourselves with other people. Aries, for Aries, this person for Aries feels the strength and the sun. So they feel that you are a very fiery person, you are very energetic, you have lot of power, you are always winning every battle in life. So you are an achiever, you are courageous, so you are a source of lot of positive energy for your lover. they expect this from you. Six of Cups, they always go back to, you know, nostalgia. They think of you as their counterpart, they think of you as their soulmate, they see you as the innocent love which they are craving for. They find only the purity of love only in you, so they are expecting this love from you, the reciprocation, the balance, the soulmate like situation in their love. So they see you as, you know, beautiful, you know, lifelong partner in you. So this is beautiful relationship which I see from your person's side. From your side, what is happening is you are feeling your 10 of Cups. You are already very, very happy. You are satisfied. You are satisfied in this love. You think that you have achieved your person, you have achieved this person, and you have a long term situation happening with this person. However, sometimes you are always, you get these doubts, and you know, start feeling, you know, frustrated. You start feeling frustrated and you sometimes think of walking away. So there is this feeling now, because you are feeling so happy, because you are feeling so confident, that sometimes whenever, if your person you know, does something wrong, or if your person says something wrong, you immediately get into a situation of, you know, I will go away, I will not stay any longer in this, you know, I will not take his or her, you know, offer of love, I will close my eyes, I will not, I don't want anything, you know. You get into that mode, and you get into the mode of, you know, doubting your person. So this is the kind of energy. However, you derive joy, you derive your 10 of Cups through this person. So there is lot of love happening between both of you, there is beautiful relationship happening. So don't, you know, ruin it with your, you know, current mindset of being, you know, detached. So what I see in mutual relationship is both of you are getting over heartbreak. This could have been caused by people outside of your love life, or people around you, or some old relationship, or this could have happened in this same relationship, but it is over now. You have got victory over this heartbreak, you have become confident, you have, you know, overcome this obstacle, and you are now in a mode of, in a victorious mode right now, Aries. And I see what is coming to you is the King of Pentacles. This is a signifier of being confident, being you know, in balance, being like a king or a queen. You are, you know, in your power, you have the monetary power, you have the abundance, you have the affluence, and you have the victory over heartbreak. So you are in this situation, Aries, and you are going to have a very good, you know, love life, because your person is also showing lot of love. So this is for you in the month of September. It is a good patch for you, good love life. So I wish you all the best, and I want you to be in this happy mode forever. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe, and you know, give me feedback. Bye bye.